My name is Erik Reynolds II.
I'm Talya Brugler.
I'm a senior sports marketing major and guard for the St. Joe's men's basketball team.
I'm a senior sports marketing major and a forward on the St. Joe's women's basketball team.
Today we are playing horse.
But we're doing it Hawk Hill style.
You ready?
Let's go. Tails.
You don't even got that for real. Oh, wow. Oh. Be ready to ask me a question? Oh, yeah? Mm-hmm.
Oh. So how did it feel for you when you broke the program record and made history at St. Joe's?
Honestly, like, really shocking. It was a great feeling, great moment. Like, you kind of felt the energy go through the gym when it hit, so it was a great moment for sure.
Oh.
I'll take that. Oh. Who's been the biggest influence on your game this season?
I would say my position coach, post coach, KK. She's just always doing extra stuff with me, helping me develop my game, and I appreciate her a lot for it. So yeah, she helped me a lot.
There we go.
I have to hit a floater.
Oh, get in there, get in there. What was your favorite accomplishment of this season?
I would say when I got myself into the top 3 in scoring in St. Joe's women's basketball history when we played against Rhode Island A-10. So that was like really rewarding moment for myself.
Sure, that's big time.
Thank you.
Big time.
All right, get ready to write the H down.
Oh my goodness, man. That's off too. Oh. Bank shot, like you said, bank shot.
Was there a coach or player or mentor that had an impact on your success this season?
Coach Billy Lane, Coach Chris Flegler, and my teammates X and Sean. They all stayed in my ear, helped me keep my confidence high, and helped me get a reset every once in a while. So I appreciate them.
No way. You did that.
Good pass. How have you changed as a player since the start of the season?
I would say I just learned how to fight through more challenges and resilience, playing through injuries and just learning how to adapt to a new role on the team when you're not actually playing.
This is going to be like a pass to you right here.
I'm ready.
Making sure you're ready. Oh, yeah, short.
What's your favorite pregame meal?
I'd have to go with the salmon, white rice, broccoli, some teriyaki sauce.
Teriyaki sauce does it.
You know, with the salmon, it makes it real sweet. Then they got hot sauce too. Make a little sweet heat combo when it's really good. Don't knock it till you try it. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh. You can play one-on-one, any WNBA player, what would it be?
I would say Brianna Stewart. She's my favorite WNBA player. I model a lot of my game after her. And it would just be really fun to go head-to-head with her.
She's a bucket.
Yeah, she is.
She's a bucket. Yo, you know I'm bad at layups. Like, why you do that?
Oh, man. So what's next for you after graduation?
After graduation, I plan to continue to play professionally. That's been a dream of mine for a long time. Yeah. But if I'm doing shots like that, I'm probably not gonna get as far, but that's my plan right now.
For the record.
Do you plan to continue to play after graduation, or do you want to pursue another path?
I plan to play professionally overseas. I just signed with an agent. I want to play in Europe somewhere and can just continue playing the game I love.
That's big time. Congratulations.
Thank you.
But you know, that's game, right? Like, that was the last shot. Like, I won.
Yeah, good game, good game.
Yeah, good game. You know what I'm saying? Good game.
But I got one more question for you.
What?
The Hawk will never what?
The Hawk will never die. Come on, you know that.
Yeah, you know.